welcome to our channel Jnanajyoti Academy MK Hubli. I am Madhushri Ganate. Today we are discussing about Army Question Paper Series 2, GD, Tradesman, Clerk, SSC, SSP, BSF, IT, BP. All exams useful questions are here. If you are not subscribed to our channel yet, please subscribe, hit on bell icon for further video, more notification. This is our channel Jnanajyoti Academy MK Hubli 9916220408. Rules. This is a Army question paper series 2. There are 50 questions. Each questions there are 4 choices. Only one choice is correct. I will give you the correct answer at the end of the class. Please put in the correct answer in the comment box. Are you ready? Let's start the class. Arjuna awarded is given to outstanding sports persons, poets, scientist, actor. Please put in the correct answer in the comment box. I will tell you the answer after the class. Question 2. The main city of Kashmir Valley is Patnankot, Srinagar, Kumwara, none of these. Question 3. Which is known as land of midnight sun? Options: Japan, Switzerland, Norway, none of these. Question 4. Satyamev Jayate has been taken from Mandukya Upanishad, Rig Veda, Natya Shastra, Samveda. Question 5th. Chilika Lake is situated in Orissa, Bihar, Madhya Pradesh, none of this. Please put in the correct answer in the comment box. I will tell you the last. Question 6. Capital of Mizoram is Aizawl, Shillong, Impel, none of this. Question 7. Bihu is the traditional dance of which state? Options: Bihar, Assam, Punjab, none of these. Question 8. London is situated on the bank of Dash River. Options: Jamis, Thamis, Hamis, Thamis. Question 9. By using map you can find options: distance, direction, altitude, none of this. Question 10. Who is the Supreme Commander of the Armed Force? Options: Chief Justice of Supreme Court, Speaker of Lok Sabha, President of India, none of this. Please put in the correct answer in the comment box. I will give you the correct answer at the end of the quiz. Question 11. Which is deepest sea in the world? Option: Pacific Ocean, Indian Ocean, Arabic Ocean, none of this. Question 12. Indian liberated Goa from the Portuguese in options: 1947, 1965, 1961, 1960. Question 13. Paris is situated on the bank of river. Option Seine, Thames, Volga, none of these. Question 14. National Botanical Garden is situated in which city? Options Rewa, Jaipur, Chandigarh, Lucknow. Please put in the correct answer in the comment box. Question 15. What is H1N1? Option cough, bird flu, swine flu, none of this. Hey, this is our channel Jnanajyoti Academy MK Hubli. Question number 16. Which is laughing gas? Carbon dioxide, sulfur dioxide, hydrogen peroxide, nitrous oxide. Question 17. The most important ore of aluminium is? Options bauxite, calamine, calcite, galena. Question 18. The gas used in extinction fire is? Options neon, nitrogen, carbon dioxide, carbon monoxide. Question 19. The mammal which lay egg is? Options bat, kangaroo, squirrel, duck-billed, patless. Please put in the correct answer in the comment box. Question 20. Laparoscopy is connected with? Radars, science of tissues, study of laser beams, gynecological operation. Next question number 21. The fourth state of matter is? Option solid, liquid, plasma, gas. Question 22. Which of the following is mixed fertilizer? Fertilizer. Options urea, ammonium sulfate, CAM, NPK. Please put in the correct answer in the comment box. Next question 23. Cow milk is a rich source of vitamin A, vitamin B, vitamin C, vitamin D. I will give you the correct answer at the end of the class. Question 24. Typhoid is a disease of liver, lungs, stomach, intestine. Question 25. The tooth which three roots is? Maxillary, molar, premolar, incisal, canine. Next question 26. The saliva helps in diagnosis of? Proteins, fat, fibers, starch. Question 27. Short sightedness is due to options: shifting of iris, vicus muscles, elongation of eyeballs, weakening of retina. Question 28. The weight of an average human male brain is 1 kg, 1200 grams, 1350 grams, 1500 grams. Please put in the correct answer in the comment box. Question 29. Water has maximum density at 0 degrees Celsius, 4 degrees Celsius, 100 degrees Celsius, 10 degrees Celsius. Hey, this is our YouTube channel Gnanajyoti Academy MK Hubli. Question 30. Which of the following disease usually spread through air? Flu, typhoid, tuberculosis, cholera. Question 31. The ozone layer in the upper part of the atmosphere protects us from visible radiation, infrared rays, ultraviolet rays, cosmic rays. Question 32. Aviation fuel for jet aeroplanes consists of purified petrol, kerosene, gasoline, diesel. Please put in the correct answer in the comment box. 33 questions. Which of the following is not a gland? Stomach, liver, kidney, pancreas. Question 34. Long distance photography is facilitated by visible light, X-ray, infrared rays, ultraviolet rays. Question 35. The fireworks of green flame is produced because options: mercury, sodium, potassium, barium. Question 36. Area of rectangular ground is 12,500 meter second. Its length is 125 meters per perimeter is options: 450, 100 meter, 900 meter, 1250 meters. Please put in the correct answer in the comment box. Question number 37. If 1026 and 40 are in the proportion, the value of x will be 5, 20, 30, 80. Question. If 10th January 2004 is Thursday, what will be the day on 10th January 2005? Wednesday, Thursday, Tuesday, Friday. Question 39. The cyclist covers 12 kilometers in an hour. What is his speed in meters per minute? Options: 100 meter per minute, 220 meter per minute, 200 meter per minute, 300 minute per minute. Please put in the correct answer in the comment box. I will tell you the correct answer at the end of the class. Question 40. Speed of 1 kilometer per hour is equal to 60 per 1000 meter per second, 3600 per 100, 1000 meter per second, 1000 per 3600 meter per second, 1000 per 60 meter per second. Question 41. The cost of 18 bananas at the rate of rupees 4 per dozen will be options rupees 5, rupees 6, rupees 10, rupees 8. Now question 42. 12 men, 18 women can rape a child in 14 days. 8 women and 16 women can rape in the same field in options 6 days, 3 days, 10 days, 9 days. Question 43. The average of the height of the 5 students having height 30, 40, 50, 60, 70. Options 40, 50, 55, 45. Question. At what rate percent per annum will a sum of money double in 8 years? Options 12.5%, 25%, 0.6%, 10%. Question number 45. The man buys a toy for rupees 1000 and sells it for rupees 2500. His gain percent is 331 per 3%, 50%, 25%, 58%. Question 46. 3 hours and 45 minutes is equal to dash. 13,500, 18,000, 10,800, 10,500. Please put in the correct answer in the comment box. This is our channel Gnanajyoti Academy MK Hubli. Question number 47. 30% of 140 is equal to x percent of 840. Then x is 5, 10, 6, 15. Now question 48. Which one of the following is equivalent of 6 per 20? Options 6%, 20%, 26%, 30%. Please put in the correct answer in the comment box. I will tell you the correct answer at the end of the class. Question 49. The square root of 4096 by means of factors is 33, 64, 96, 24. Question number 50. Last question. LCM of 2 into 3 into 5 and 3 into 5 into 7 is equal to 3, 3 into 5, 2 into 3 into 5 into 7, 2 into 3 into 5 into 3 into 5 into 7. Please put in the correct answer in the comment box. Answers. Tell in comments how many correct answers you get. If you like this video, please share it on social media. Thank you.